In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 20. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice, click here open. Then go to the line tool, click here, make it 80 mm line. Next we need to make it 90 mm line. Go to here, make it this direction 80, then press enter, press escape key. Go to the line tool again, click this midpoint, make it 90, then press enter, press escape key. Just go to the polyline, click here and click here, repeat the same, click this location and click here, press escape key, select this line, delete it. Then go to the offset, we need to make it offset for 20 mm, you can see here 20. Go to here, go to the offset 20, then press enter, select this one, offset here 20. Then go to the fillet, you can see here fillet radius 20, 20. Go to here, select here radius 20, then press enter, select this one and select this one, press enter, repeat the same, press enter, repeat the same. Next we need to create the circle for radius 5. Go to here, go to the circle, click here, make it 5, press enter, repeat the same here also 5 and press enter, repeat the same 5, press enter. Now we don't want these lines, delete it. Next we need to extrude for 10 mm. You can see here this base dimension, thickness 10 mm. Just go to here, go to the extrude, select this one, press enter, make it 10, press enter. Next we need to press full, just select here press full, click here, make it like this, click here, then place it like this, click here, place it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make this one dimension, you can see here from base 110, base thickness it is 10 mm, so 110 minus 10, from this location to this location you will get it 100 mm. Just go to here, select here right or left, you can choose like this, you can see here you will get it working plane like this, make it southeast, you can see very clearly. Then select here line tool, click here, make it like this line 100, then press enter. Next we need to make a line from this location to up to here 120 plus 60, total 180. Go to here, make it a 180 line, then press enter. Next we need to offset this line here 60 and this line here 30. Go to here, press escape key, just go to the offset, make it 30, then press enter, select this one, make it offset here 30, then go to offset again, make it 60, then press enter, select this one, make it offset here, then go to the trim tool, trim this one and trim this one. Next we can make it this fillet also, you can see here radius 50, go to here fillet radius 50, then press enter, select this one and select this one. Next we need to make it this fillet radius 20, just go to the fillet radius 20, then press enter, select this line and select this line. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make a here line, just go to the line tool, click here and click here, press escape key, just go to the line tool again, click here and click here, then type J in your keyboard, press enter, select this all the line, press enter. Now it is ready. Next we need to make it extrude 20, just go to here, select this one, go to here extrude 20, then press enter. Next select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it exactly in this midpoint. You can see here in this midpoint. It is placed perfectly. Next, we need to move that one. You can see this side 20 mm. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it like this 20, then press enter. Now this one is placed perfectly. Then go to the union, select here union, select this two things, then press enter. Now it is made union. Next we need to make this one. You can see here this one dimension, it is 60. Vertically you can see here 50. Just go to here, go to the rectangle, or you can use box also, any tool you can use it. I just go to the rectangle, click here, make it a dimension 60, then press enter, 50, then press enter, click here, select this one, go to here extrude. We need to extrude for this one. You can see here dimension 35. Go to here, make it a 35, press enter, select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint, place it exactly this midpoint. You can see here it is placed perfectly. Next, we need to make it this whole, and this one, everything we need to make it. Before that, we can make union. Select this one, select this and select this, press enter. Now it is single part. Then go to here. We need to place it this circle perfectly in this center. After that, we can move this side. You can see here radius 15. Go to here, go to the circle, click this midpoint, make it 15, press enter. Next we need to move that circle this side 35 mm. Just go to here, select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it like this 35, then press enter. Next we need to make it this one for 2 mm. Go to here, go to the line tool, click here. Before that, we can make one thing, just go to here, press pull, click here, make it like this. That is better. Then go to here, line tool, just go near to this, you will get it the center. Click here, make it like this. Then go to the offset, make it 1, press enter, select this one, offset here, select this one, offset here, select this one, delete it. Then go to the press pull, click this location, make it like this, select this one, delete it, select this circle also, delete it. Now you can see here it is clear. Next we need to make it this circle. That one you can see here, circle radius 4. Go to here, select here top, you will get it X and Y like this. This is our working plane. Then go to the circle, click this midpoint. We need to make circle for radius 4. Go to here, radius 4, then press enter. Next we need to move that circle this side 10 mm. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, make it this side 10, then press enter. Then go to the press pull, click here, make it up to here, select this one, delete it, make it 100% like this. Next we need to make it a fillet and all. First we will make this fillet and this fillet. You can see here radius 5, and this radius also 5, and here this radius also 5, all the fillet radius 5. Just go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, select here radius, make it 5, then press enter. Select this one, repeat the same, finish all the sides, press double enter. Next we need to make this fillet, or we can create this fillet. After that also you can create that fillet. Just go to the fillet again, just keep as it is this 5, click here, make it like this, click here, then press double enter. Now it is ready. Again go to the fillet, click here and click here, make it like this. Then this one also click here, then press enter. You can see here, then press enter, repeat the same all the sides and make it like this. Then press double enter, then go to this side, press enter, repeat the same all the direction, all the sides, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same command, click here and click here also, then press double enter. It is ready. This one is completely ready. Next you can see here we have this fillet also, that also 5 mm. You can see here this one, just go to here, select here fillet, same 5 radius, we don't want to make any changes. Select this one and select all the edges, then press double enter. It is ready 100%. Next we can use this one in layout and we can create this drawing. Just go to here, select here layout, then go to here layout tab, select here base, click here, press enter, click here, make it like this and make it like this, press enter. Next we need to change the scale. Go to the PDF, you can see here scale 1:2. You can see here 1:2. Just go to here, select this one, click here, you will get it here 1:2. Select this one. Now it is okay. Select this one, go to the move command, click here, place it slightly down and select this also, go to the move command, or you can click this grip also, you can adjust it like this. Slightly we can make it this side and select this text, go to the move command, slightly adjust here. Similar way you can make it this one also, slightly adjust downside. Select this text, go to the move command, place it near to this one. Then we can create normally all the dimensions. If you go here you can see all the dimensions. This is normal linear dimension, radial dimensions, everything already you know how to create. You can create that one. Next you can change this one, everything. After that you can save the drawing.